Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the site and picking a template or blank canvas so you can control structure immediately. Once done, set page width and mobile breakpoint to ensure responsiveness. This avoids layout shifts on phones. Make sure to name the site and upload a favicon now so it appears in browsers and bookmarks. You're starting with structure and identity before adding content, which saves rework later and keeps the page consistent as you build components. Next, add sections and place columns or containers to define flow. This controls how content stacks and adapts. Then add elements, heading, text, image, button, and forms, and configure spacing and alignment so each block reads clearly. Once elements are placed, use layers or z-index to overlap visuals and apply a custom code block only when you need behaviors outside the editor. You'll save time by templating a hero, features, and contacts section now so repetition is easy to maintain. Finally, configure your domain and HTTPS, preview on desktop and mobile, and publish when links and forms work. Make sure forms send to the right email or webhook and that external links open as intended. Once live, test load speed and accessibility briefly so users don't drop off. If something goes wrong, first clear your browser cache, then toggle responsive settings and disable custom code to isolate the issue. This often reveals whether the problem is layout, CSS, or script related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.